Hey natural lifestyle seekers, it's Jennifer Gilman here, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own natural mouthwash with essential oils. My name is Jennifer Gilman and I own the Herbal Cabinet. If this is your first time visiting my channel, thanks for stopping by. I am a full-time holistic health coach, herbalist, and aromatherapist, and this channel is all about living an exceptional life naturally. So let's get to making the natural mouthwash. I'm going to go over the supplies needed, but just know that in the show notes you have the recipe along with where I got everything, so that in case you want to purchase the same things I use, you can, all right? So first thing, you need a 4-ounce bottle, okay, with a cap on it. Now, if you have a larger bottle around the house, then you would just adjust the recipe, okay? So this is 4 ounces. And a lot of people actually ask me about my labeling. So I am gonna tell you just a quick tip on that. I usually just get Avery labels. You can find them in any office supply store or on Amazon. And if you don't get the waterproof, this is what I do, because I actually don't buy the waterproof one because sometimes I find that they're not so waterproof actually. And so what I do is I actually get this Scotch tape, and it's a high gloss multitask tape. It's in the show notes if you want to get this. Always make sure you're labeling everything you make, otherwise you're going to forget what's in the bottles, right? So besides that, you need some purified water. Okay, I already have it measured out in this Pyrex dish. Make sure you're using either distilled or purified water. Do not use tap water. Do not use your city water, okay? And then 3 essential oils that I chose today. And this is the way I make it now, just to really stay well. It's important to rinse your mouth and rinse that and swish this around before you go to bed every night, all right? So the oils I chose are On Guard, which is the protective blend. And I love this oil. This is the main ingredient, and you can actually even just use it with the On Guard. The oils that are in here, there's 5 plants. It is clove, cinnamon, wild orange, eucalyptus, and rosemary. And we're going to use 5 drops of that today. In addition, you're going to use myrrh. I love myrrh because it's wonderful for our gums and keeping our gums very healthy. But it does not taste very good, you guys. So we're going to use 3 drops of that because we need it for our gums. But guess what? The third oil is going to combat some of that taste, and it's peppermint. All right, peppermint, just 2 drops of peppermint, and it gives your breath a little refreshing. It covers up that myrrh taste, all right? So if you have your favorite mouthwash, I would love for you to put it in the comments below. All right, so that's the question of the day, is what is your favorite natural mouthwash? If you already have one, we're a community, and I want you to share that in the comments below, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and make this now. So I'll just take the top off. I put my stainless steel, if you've seen me make things, you know I love my stainless steel funnels. Just put my stainless steel funnel in there. We wouldn't want to use plastic because the essential oils eat away at plastic. So we put that in there, and then we measure out our essential oils. So as I had said, we want to use 5 drops of On Guard, 3, 4, 5. And then today, as always with my own recipes, I use 3 drops of myrrh, okay? So 1, 2, 3. All right. And by the way, it doesn't come with this top on here. That's a top that I buy, a dropper. And in the show notes, you'll see actually a link of where you can get that, because myrrh is a thicker oil, and I could be here all day trying to get that drop out. So I love having the dropper on that particular bottle. And then I just do 2 drops of peppermint. All right, 1, 2. And guess what, you guys? The only other ingredient is the water. That's it. This is how easy this is. So I'm going to just pour that through the funnel here, and it's going in and just kind of filling up. And then once that's full, you just cap it, and you can shake it each time you use it. I recommend the way you use this is every night before you go to bed. We want to make sure that your mouth is clean. Anything that was trying to get a hold of you during the day, you're rinsing your mouth out, okay? Rinse for 60 seconds is what many dentists recommend, and I recommend as well. So 60 seconds swishing, gargling, and then spitting it out. Can you use it more than once a day? Absolutely. But end of night is what we do in our family. And then you always give it a good shake before you use it because the water doesn't mix that well with the essential oils. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, go out today and make it exceptional. Bye for now.